In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided on Google Slides. By the end, you'll confidently open your slides, find the right print settings, and turn on duplex printing so your pages come out front and back, neat and in order. First, go to Google Slides. You can type Google Slides into your browser's address bar or access it from your Google apps. Make sure you're signed in and that your internet connection is stable, since printing from the web relies on a live connection. On the Slides homepage, click Recent Presentations to quickly see files you've worked on lately. This view is handy if you just finished editing. If you don't see what you need, you can search or open it from Drive, but Recent is the fastest route when your deck is fresh. Next, click the presentation you want to print. Give it a moment to load and check that any last edits are saved. If you plan to print on standard paper, it's fine to keep the default slide size. The print dialog will handle the fit. Just be aware that your printer's paper size determines the final output. Now look toward the upper left of the screen and locate the File menu. This is where Google Slides keeps all export and print options. Click File. In that menu, you'll use the print controls. When the print preview opens, you'll see your slides on the right and settings on the left or in a panel. This is where you'll enable double-sided printing. Find the option for two-sided or duplex. Depending on your printer and browser, it might be labeled two-sided, print on both sides, double-sided, or duplex. Turn this on. If there's a choice between flip-on long edge and flip-on short edge, choose long edge for most documents, especially portrait orientation. Short edge flips like a notepad and is mainly useful for specific layouts. If the two-sided option is missing or grayed out, your selected printer may not support automatic duplex. Try switching to a different printer in the destination dropdown or check your printer's system preferences. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm pages are in the correct order and that the thumbnails show front and back. While you're here, you can adjust copies, page range, color or black and white, and scale. If your deck is heavy on color, consider printing in grayscale to save ink, and if you only need certain slides, set the range to avoid extras. When everything looks right, click Print to send the job to your printer. That's it. Your Google Slides will print double-sided, saving paper while keeping your presentation clean and professional.